like magic, be like fire.
Some cool gadgets on Amazon started as small ideas on Kickstarter. They became really popular because they were smart, useful, and fun. It's crazy how a simple idea can turn into something everyone wants to buy. From clever tools to fun tech, these products are game changers, and you might just want one for yourself. All the mentioned gadgets links are in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 12. Symtik S1 Boost EDC Screwdriver. This all-in-one screwdriver is designed for better power and easy use. It was created to solve the common problem of bulky, single-purpose screwdrivers. Unlike the usual ones, this new tool is small, portable, and packed with useful features. It's perfect for anyone who needs a simple and smart solution for fixing things around the house or on the go. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, and its strong performance makes it reliable for many tasks. This gadget stands out for being both powerful and handy, offering a better way to handle everyday repairs with less effort. Number 11. DJI Osmo Vlogging Camera. This small but powerful vlogging camera is perfect for capturing everyday moments with clear detail. It records sharp 4K video at 120 frames per second, giving your videos a smooth and professional look. With 3x stabilization, your shots stay steady even while moving. It also features face and object tracking, so the camera keeps the focus on what matters most. Fast focusing helps you capture the right moment without delay, and the built-in mic ensures your sound is crisp and clear. Easy to carry and use, this camera is a great choice for anyone who loves filming on the go. Number 10. Marblelous Smart Marble Run. Get ready for a 2025 gadget that turns marble runs into a high-tech adventure. This smart game connects to your smart home and comes with over 500 pieces, letting you build cool circuits in minutes. Use suction cups to stick tracks to windows or doors, add launchers, detectors, and even teleporters. It lifts marbles with a spiral elevator and works with smart lights and speakers to make every run exciting. You can use regular straws to create long tracks, and there are fun extras like funnels, decision makers, and spinning vortexes. Control everything from your phone with an app for endless fun. Number 9. Bapaco the Keyboard. This isn't just a keyboard, it's a full Windows 11 PC built inside, making it one of the first of its kind. With a 12.3-inch touchscreen, you can work, create, or play without needing a separate monitor. It combines the ease of a laptop with the comfort of a full-size keyboard. It can also act as a second screen for Mac, Windows, or Android, giving you more space to multitask. Its touchscreen is easy to use, letting you drag, swipe, and pinch like a tablet. The adjustable hinge gives you the best viewing angle. Number 8. CenWatch. This smart wristband lets you control screens with simple hand movements. No touching needed. You can write, swipe, click, or draw in the air, making it feel like you have digital superpowers. But it's not just for screens. It also works with smart devices like lights, curtains, speakers, and air conditioning. Just twist your wrist, left or right, to switch or control devices with easy motions. No remotes or complicated apps required. It supports Android, iOS, Windows, Linux, and even AR glasses. At around $300, it's made for those who want a fun, futuristic way to interact with the digital world. Number 7. Glanzfeuer Tornado Tabletop. Add a warm and cozy feeling to any room with this tabletop fire pit. It creates a beautiful spiral flame that's perfect for romantic dinners or relaxing evenings. The sturdy metal base and tempered glass keep it safe and steady, whether you use it indoors or outside. It has a special system to prevent leaks and cools down quickly after use. Powered by bioethanol or alcohol, it can burn for up to 90 minutes with an adjustable flame size to set the right mood. It's a stylish and safe way to enjoy a real flame anywhere. Number 6. Halliday Glasses. If you think smart glasses are heavy and awkward, these glasses will change your mind. They have a cool retro modern look that you can wear every day without feeling like you're in a sci-fi movie. They are very light, weighing only 35 grams, and have a battery that lasts over 12 hours. They even work with prescription lenses. Inside, there's a small hidden display only you can see, perfect for checking messages or browsing privately. Plus, an AI helper gives you useful info in real time, even during conversations. For $429, they're a smart and stylish choice. Number 5. LaserPecker LP1 Pro. This mini laser engraver is perfect for beginners and small crafts. It's very light, only 190 grams, and small enough to fit in a toolbox. It runs on a USB power bank and is much lighter than big desktop machines. The laser is very precise, creating detailed designs on wood, leather, and felt. It has safety features like a password lock and motion detection. Using it is easy. Connect via Bluetooth, set the height, and upload your design. It works fast and can engrave many wooden items with low cost. It comes with helpful tools and support for new users. Number 4. TinyMaker. This tiny 3D printer fits in your hand and lets you create wherever you go, whether at parties, trips, or events. It comes in a case for easy carrying and has a simple design. Just loosen a screw, level the plate, and start printing. Its sealed resin tank stops spills and bad smells. Using only 5 watts, you can power it with a power bank. Made with all metal parts, it's strong and works with any resin. Great for printing small items like miniatures and jewelry. It's open source, meaning it can improve with user ideas. You can pre-order it now. Number 3. ChinnoTown. If you love photography and want to see details others miss, this 16mm wide-angle macro lens is a great choice. It shows tiny textures and close-up views with 4 times magnification and a wide 108-degree view. Perfect for capturing insects, jewelry, flowers, or small electronics. It makes every photo look special while keeping the background clear. It's light, weighing only 256 grams, and small enough to carry anywhere. Whether you work outdoors or in a studio, this lens helps you create amazing photos. At $250, it's a smart buy for serious photographers and content creators. Number 2. Livegrid Aquatic. This smart device is more than just an air quality sensor. It's a tiny living ecosystem that shows your room's temperature, humidity, and CO2 levels in a visual and natural way. Instead of numbers, you see fish that react when the air is stale or needs freshening. The fish live, grow, and change based on the environment, making it feel like a real home for them. It's customizable with open-source software and can be controlled through a web app. It's a beautiful and unique way to keep track of your indoor air quality. Number 1. OMyKey. Imagine if your keys were smarter than just metal. This new gadget, coming in 2025, uses your fingerprint to unlock things like your front door, car, or e-bike with just one touch. No more searching for keys or worrying about losing them. It's very secure with strong encryption, so only you can use it. Plus, its NFC chip can be programmed through an app to do things like open your garage or turn on lights when you get home. It's a super convenient and safe way to control access to your important places. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed these amazing gadgets, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cool tech videos. Share your favorite gadget in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching.